Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be doing my first time ever unboxing of the Curateur. I have admired this seasonal box for some time, and they were offering $45 off, and I decided to go ahead and bite the bullet and move forward with subscribing. So this is a seasonal subscription service. They come out with 4 boxes a year, and I got my 45 off the winter box, and I've been admiring them for a long time. I get their advertisements on my Instagram, and of course I open them up and I look and I dream, and so I decided to just go for it. It seems like Curateur is some nice quality items, and it seems to be a really good deal, and so what the heck, right? So I am going to do my unboxing of Curateur. So let's take a look. So it comes with your items. They did send out an email to me because there's a purse in this box that you needed to decide between the 2 colors that it was offered. So I do know, it's not a surprise, I do know what's in it, and it comes with this little magazine which tells you about all the items inside the box, and then it has some just additional information. So what I'm going to do is unbox it, and then I'm going to reference this magazine or catalog, whatever you would call it, so you know what the retail price is. So this box costs $99, but I got the $45 off this box, so it is only $55 this time around. And you can pay for a whole year in advance and save an additional $50, but I didn't want to do that. So in this box comes this beautiful bracelet. I absolutely loved this. It's a nice quality piece. I love the fact that it's just textured and it's very solid. It is a nice quality. It's a solid piece of gold here, and it's a cuff bracelet, and I just absolutely love it. It looks nice all on its own, or you could stack it. And I love to wear gold. I also love silver, so I'm all about both. But how pretty is that? I just feel like it's such a nice, pretty statement piece without being too much, and it comes with this nice I don't know if you can see that, nice velvet bag. So I absolutely love this piece. This is one of the things I was eyeing. And this says it is an adjustable cuff bracelet, wrist size, for any wrist size and any look. Loosen the cuff and stack amongst other bracelets for a bangled look, or fasten it tighter around the wrist and wear it alone. Either way, the piece is timeless enough to wear year-round. What is the retail on this? Oh, it's called the Amber Skeets Emery Cuff. The value is $169. And remember, I got the box for $55, but even if it was $99, it is a nice quality piece. I'm very happy with that. Let's take a look at what else we have. I'm not going in any particular order. I just emptied the box because it was all individually wrapped and I didn't want to have to make all that noise. But there's this trinket tray. How beautiful is this? This feels like it could be ceramic or china, and it's painted in gold, and it's a beautiful trinket tray. So, you know, you could use this for an assortment of things. You could put your perfume on this, or any, what I intend to do is put this in my bathroom so that when I take my jewelry off, when I'm getting ready for bed, I can just put it in here. As often, I'll wear the same earrings for several days, and I don't have to, you know, properly put it away, and I don't have it just leaving my stuff on the counter. So it's nice to have a trinket tray, and the gold makes it nice and versatile. I could see even using this as a Valentine's gift, like my 17-year-old daughter would love something like this. And it can be used for so many different things. I think it's a catch-all or a trinket tray. So let's see what this is all about. This is called the Taliana Catch-All Tray. The value is $75. And it is a quality piece. And right now it says here that if you were to go onto their website, talianahome.com, and use the code LOVE20, you'll get 20% off through March 1st of this year. So I would be curious as to what else they have, but it's really nice. And with Valentine's coming up, they might have other things that would be a fun Valentine's gift. I really, really love that. The other thing that was in this box is this beautiful scarf. And this is a very nice fabric, and it's a very large scarf. So I think this probably could even be worn, you know, like as a sarong if you're out by the pool or maybe on vacation and want to cover up. And it is a very nice, soft fabric. It is a little bit sheer. I don't know if you can see my hand through that. And it's like an ombre of different grays. And I love it because of the different colors. I think gray is very versatile, and I love the ombre. And I just think this is really, really pretty. Let me give you the details on this. This is called Cushnie's Gray Horizon Scarf with $150 value. It's super soft and luxurious, oversized. You can wear it around your neck, cinch it with a belt, or use as a blanket for a cozy night in. Well, how nice. I really, really like this. I love the fact that it's oversized, so you could use it for multiple different things. Okay, the next thing in this box was this beautiful purse that I fell in love with. And one of the other things, between the bracelet and the purse, this is what, you know, the two things that I was really eyeing. This is a magnetic closure. It's a beautiful, soft, buttery leather. And it can be worn as a clutch or a purse. And it has this beautiful gold strap, gold link strap. So this could easily be dressed up or dressed down. And the choice in colors were either black or white. And this is kind of a creamy white. And I have black evening purses. I don't have any purses for the summer other than I have one straw purse that I love, but I really don't have much else. And I just thought for the summer, the spring and summer, I would get a lot of wear out of this. And it's something that I needed. And it comes with this little tassel, which I always love that little added detail. But I love the size of this. I love the fact that it's a gold chain. And I just love this color, and it's a nice size. It would easily hold my cell phone. It would hold a small or medium-sized wallet, keys, lipstick. It's like the perfect size. And I love the fact that it can be a clutch. So if I want to dress up an outfit, I could just totally use it as a clutch. But it's a beautiful buttery leather, and it comes in that nice dust bag. They also have items, this is by Rachel Zoe, and she has other items in her online shop that you can go through and shop, and then if you pick out items before your next seasonal box is shipped, they'll just put it in the box. And I did do one add-on, and it's all kinds of items: jewelry, sweaters, clothing, accessories. Okay, so the purse it's understated leather clutch, $110 value, founded by Jennifer Castle. Understated leather is the perfect blend of her Australian roots and her Texan lifestyle. The pieces are refreshing, relatable, and focused on style and quality. It's no wonder the brand has a cult celebrity following. So I think it's a nice versatile bag that I'm going to get a lot of wear out of. So I'm very, very excited. In the box also comes, it's Elaters. It is a lip moisturizer, probably a lip balm, and it has 14 karat gold specks in it. I don't know if you can see that. And let me take a look at what the write-up is on this. So pretty. Elelu's 24 karat lip therapy, value $28. Bathe your lips in 24 karat gold, a must have for the winter season. It melts onto your lips flawlessly. So I love having lip moisturizer for winter and for summer. The sun dries my lips out and the winter dries my lips out. They also sent me this beautiful perfume sample set. I don't know if you can see that. They're little vials of perfume. And I love these vials because they're great for traveling. Not that I'm going to be traveling anytime soon with this pandemic, but each one is labeled something differently. This one is Fearless. There's Instinct, Empowered, and Warrior. And let me see. It has a very nice, this is totally something I would wear. It's a very light, fresh scent. And let's see, this is a free gift with the winter curation. It's her Rachel Zoe's first ever fragrance. 4 luxurious scents in a convenient sampler set just for you. So I am anxious to try these. I love trying new fragrances, and it's nice that you're not committing to anything. You get a little sample of all of the 4 different varieties, so you can actually wear it around. You can, you know, try it for a week, and if you really, really like it, you can buy a bigger one. And then the last thing that's in my box was my add-on, and when I was looking through her online shop, I saw a scarf that can also be worn as a face mask. So let me pull that out for you. How cute is this scarf? I saw this, and I've seen these advertised, these types of scarves. So it makes a nice accessory to your outfit. But then there are a couple little ear loops. Now I just put this on so that I could have it on before. So there is a little nose piece here so you can put it on your nose so it fits more snugly. And so it fits nicely. So like you know, if I'm planning to go to the grocery store, I could just, you know, wear my scarf, and when I get there, pull it up, and it just makes, you know, for a nice, we wear our masks all the time. So what I felt, what the heck, I could use another one. So I saw this, it was actually on sale. It was normally $30, on sale for $20. And I totally would get a lot of wear out of this. So especially right now when it's, you know, winter. So that was my box. I am going to put the link below for a discount if you're interested in trying Curateur. Use the link below and that will give you a discount. I think it's a $20 discount. And then I'm going to try and find that winter special that is $45 off. So that winter special is just running for a short period of time. And I know the spring box is about to get mailed out. And I do know that there was a choice in items as well. So that I probably will get in the next week or so. So I'll go ahead and unbox that when that comes as well. But this was a really fun box. I have been anxious to try this service out and have admired it probably for the last year. It seems everything is a very nice quality. And I think the price, even though $100 is a lot of money, you're getting well over $100 worth of merchandise. So you're really saving a ton of money in buying it this way. So seasonally, what the heck, right? So tune in for the next one. I should be getting that in about a week.